Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creations Ltd, where we bring your ideas to life. In today's video, I am going to design a sleek and professional ID card for your technology company. Whether you are a designer looking for inspiration or simply curious about the process, you are in the right place. I will walk you through the step-by-step process for creating a design that both functional and visually appealing. By the end of this video, you will learn how to craft an ID card that stands out and leaves a lasting impression. Let's dive into it, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. After create a page for an ID card design, let's give a color in the page. Then go to the element and let's take this rectangle shape and adjust it on the bottom of the page. Then go to the element and search for a logo. For now, let's take this logo and adjust it on the middle of the page and change the color in white and keep the transparency low. Let's change the color of the page. Let's give this red color on the page and change the logo color in white for now. And now go to the element and search for a picture. Here we're taking a corporate girl picture or corporate woman pictures. Let's change the keyword in office girl. Let's take this picture and let's remove the background from the BG remover and adjust the picture middle of the page. Adjust the logo behind the picture. Let's go to the element and find a M logo and change the logo with this. Change the color in light gray and keep it behind the picture. Make a copy of the logo and increase the transparency. And now take a text box and type the media name. Take another text box and type the media and change the font in handwriting. Now adjust the text together with the logo. Now go to the lower section and take a text box and type the name. Make it uppercase and change the color in red. Now take another text box and type the designation social media manager. Take another text box and type the position. Now from the element, take this rectangle shape and adjust it behind the social media manager and change the color of social media manager in white. And for the shape, make corner rounding. Adjust all the things. Now take the logo and adjust it on the corner of the page, bottom corner actually. Now take this shape and adjust it on the lower of the page. Let's make some changes. Adjust it like this. Make the full name group. Now adjust one by one. Now take a text box and type the ID nong, and again take a text box, type the ID number. Take this logo and make it bigger and change the color in ash black and keep the transparency low. Now adjust all things. Now let's move to the second page of the ID card, actually the back page of the ID card. Before that, take a text box and type team marketing. Change the font in Poppins and make it extra light and keep a letter spacing. Reduce the font size and go to the position, make it 90 degree. Again go to the element and take a line. Keep the line weight in 1. And again go to the position and make it 90 degree and adjust it with the team marketing. There it is. Adjust the lines and the line. Make them space evenly. Now go to the second page and take this rectangle shape and adjust it upper of the page and change the color in same red, and take the logo and keep the transparency higher and adjust the name and the logo together. Now from the element, search QR code and take this QR code and adjust it the middle of the page. Now go to the element and take a phone icon. Take this icon, change the color in red and take this shape and adjust it on the bottom corner. And now take a text box and type the phone number and take a text box and type phone. Again from the element, let's take this email icon, adjust it like phone numbers. Now take a text box and place it under the QR code and type scan for more. Now take another text box and type the condition for this ID card. It's done a ID card design for a corporate company or a media company. If you need this kind of design or any kind of custom design you have, like flyer design, brochure design, presentation or any other official design you need, please contact with us. Our contact details attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.